Hello everyone, welcome to another video. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're going to explore the evolving role of maintenance in architecture, based on the enlightening talk given by Roy Decker at the Maintainers 3 conference. This video will challenge the way you perceive architectural design and highlight the importance of considering a building's lifespan right from the start of a project. So let's jump right in. At the Maintainers 3 conference, Roy Decker from Duval Decker Architecture gave a compelling presentation on this very subject. He proposed that the practice of architecture should extend beyond the design and construction phases and embrace the entire lifespan of a building. Roy mentioned a common misconception among architects. They often view buildings as permanent structures, frozen in time. But the truth is quite different. Buildings start deteriorating as soon as their construction ends. From the moment of completion, every building begins to require maintenance. Yet surprisingly, architects rarely revisit their projects once completed, leaving the maintenance to those less familiar with the building's intricate design details. Looking to the future, Roy argues for a more inclusive approach in architecture. He suggests that architects should consider maintenance from the beginning of a project, thereby taking responsibility for a building's life after completion. This shift will ensure architects remain engaged with the consequences of their designs and decisions. Roy shared an interesting example from one of his projects, a building designed for a community college in Mississippi. The brief was ambitious: design a building that would last 100 years. However, Roy quickly identified several challenges. For instance, roofs typically last only 25 years. Mechanical systems might stretch to 20 years, and data systems often become outdated within just 5 years. This led him to conclude that designing a building to last a century without changes isn't feasible. Instead, Roy proposes designing buildings that can be easily updated, improved, and maintained over 100 years. This approach not only enhances the functionality of the buildings, but also enriches the community's interaction with them, fostering a deeper understanding of maintenance. This thought-provoking perspective could revolutionize how we think about architecture and its role in our communities. And now, we've come to the end of our video. We've discussed the importance of considering a building's lifespan in architectural design and the need for maintenance from the get-go. We hope this has given you a new perspective on architecture. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. To learn more about us and our work, please visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.